A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of Tuesday, January the 30th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why? Not all. Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one is a 3 stars Sudoku. Number 7902. Yeah, 7902. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars Sudoku has 25. So this one has 3 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, this one has 28, so I think it's a 0 stars. And for 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. In this column, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right. Okay. How about, well, we have all the 6s, I believe. Let me check. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yeah. Digit number 1, number 6. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 place level 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. So the only place level 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright, now. Now. Let me see. How about the 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 7. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Let me see. Here. 7. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. Here, 7 in this row, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, I cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. How about 9 and 5. Well, we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Then need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 3 here. Okay. Nope. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Let me think. How about 8? Need an 8 here. I'm thinking 8 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this second column for number 1 and the 2 is missing. Well, I need a 2 here. Okay, and I need a 2 here. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle column, in middle row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And now, need a 5 here. 5 and the 9. Alright. 5, 5. 9, 9. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, need a 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, need a 8. 4, 8, and then 9. 5 and 8. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column, so no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. I have marked those two boxes with earlier with 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with a 7 as a pair. 3 in the 7, 3 in the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then one number left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Alright, the 4 is missing. We have 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 2 numbers are left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the middle, the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.